Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everybody doing well. Today is our third session. Today we are going to discuss about our nature. That means in and around our surroundings. I know very well, maybe you are very surprised and you are little bit confused also. Because I am not going to tell you, I am not discussing with you any grammar, any tough sentences, nothing like that. And not our class is not like a normal way of the classes. I know very well that, but our study style is like this. If you follow this way, I'm 100% sure and I'm guaranteeing you, you will able to speak English very well, very fluently, and very soon. Don't forget that our main aim is speak English very clearly and fluently in your school and in a public place. So my dear friends, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe our channel, share the channel and tell your friends also about our channel. Now come to the point. What I was saying about our surroundings, in and around our surroundings, our nature. Look at this video, you can see lot of trees around here, almost all these trees are mahogany trees. And now I'll show you another tree. You can see this is a small arecanut plant. And over here you can see one coconut tree. There is one coconut tree, there is one arecanut tree, and you can see this is a black pepper plant. That's a creeper, a black pepper plant. So I show you mahogany trees, arecanut tree, coconut tree, one creeper. Now I am going to show you one banana plant. What is this? One banana plant. So that's enough for us today. So I'm going to tell you again once more. One mahogany tree, you can see small mahogany tree, banana plant, arecanut and coconut, and lot of mahogany trees and one creeper, that's called black pepper. Come to the point. What is the differences between all these plants, all these trees? Mainly we will talk about coconut. Coconut tree will give us coconut, isn't it? And the particularity of the coconut tree doesn't have any branches. Coconut tree doesn't have any branches. Even this, you can see this arecanut. Arecanut tree is having any branch? No. Arecanut tree is also having there is no branches at all. Coconut and arecanut are no branches. Also the palm tree. I don't have any palm tree over here to show you. So palm trees, arecanut, coconut, these kind of trees doesn't have any branch. But mahogany tree, you can see there are a lot of branches for mahogany trees. These are the difference between normal tree and this coconut tree, these kind of trees. And also I show you another one. What is the difference between coconut and I mean mahogany and banana plant? Banana is not a tree, that's a plant. It will provide us fruit. Banana is a fruit plant. That plant is a fruit plant. And what about this black pepper creeper? Black pepper, that's a creeper. It is climbing up, climbing up. How it will climb? For climbing, it need a support. It need any tree for climbing up. So mainly four kind of things I discuss with you: a normal tree, a creeper, a fruit plant, and a tree without any branches. Simple things. In your surroundings, you can see lot of trees and lot of plants and lot of fruit trees and lot of aracanut, coconut, like that. So now just we are discussing about the differentialities of few trees. What are the differences? Which tree is having branches? Which tree is having doesn't branch? What is a climbing creeper? What is a fruit plant? I hope you understand these simple things. This is very simple things. You can understand very easily that one. And there is one more plant I will show you. That is coffee plant. That's a bush kind of plant. You can see this is a coffee plant. You see, there's a stem, and there are lot of coffee beans as you can see over here. This is a bush plant. What we call this is a bush having coffee beans. So what else? One big tree like mahogany. There's a bush. For example, there's coffee. There's a creeper, climbing creeper. That is black pepper. There's a tree without any branch. That is coconut or aracanut. And there's a plant with a fruit. What is that? That is banana. And you can see there is one small papaya. I find one papaya plant over here. Papaya also. One tree with or one plant with is provide us fruits. Just you keep it in your mind this one and remain later on. What we learn now, what we discuss now, what we hear from me. Very simple things. Just I discuss with you about few plants and few trees and one creeper, only one creeper and one bush. So all about this, what do you understand within this small discussion? Tell me. Yes, we understand there are few varieties of trees in and around us. One kind of trees doesn't have any branches. One kind of trees having lot of branches. One kind of tree like papaya having, it will provide us fruits. One plant, one creeper is climbing up, and one bush type of plant also. I hope this simple thing you understand, and just simply or today or tomorrow whenever you have time, go around your surroundings and just find out this one, find out this kind of things, and just rewind this your mind what I say. So simple things we learn. Few plants. What are the difference between one plant and another plant? What are the difference between climbing creeper and a fruit tree or a fruit plant? What is a bush? Isn't it? That's it for today. This is the class for today. Not very huge grammar thing or very huge discussion or very big essays or nothing. Simple. Just our surroundings and what we have our surroundings. That's it. Just you understand that one. Just you remind it in your mind. It will helpful for you in coming classes. So we will meet with you in another class with the simple things and simple method, because step by step I am coming the point. our style of classes are like this only. Please try to understand and don't be panic and don't be upset. I am not going to give you any tough grammar things and not this class is what kind of class of this, and doesn't have any grammar, doesn't have any normal like a normal class, not like that. Believe my friends, our classes are like this only. Please follow with us, subscribe us, and you will be very soon you are going to speak English very well, fantastically. I'm guaranteeing you. Okay, see you our next class. Take care. Have a nice time.